What's going on, guys? So this is my 7 months update video, and I gotta tell you, 7 months passed by really fast. So here's what my hair looks like right now. This is in a room with pretty good lighting from different angles, so I'm just gonna move my head around so you can see my hairline. The hair in front has grown pretty full now. It's gained a bit of density in the last month or so. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. So yeah, this is obviously a drastic improvement from when I was pretty much bald before I had the surgery. And now I am able to actually have a hairstyle, and I can use products to stab my hair. So yeah, there you go.
Alright, so now I'm gonna comb through my hair, but before I do that, let me remind you of what my hair looked like before I had the surgery. Here's some picture of the top and from the side. Alright, so here's me at 7 months, and I'm gonna comb my hair from side to side so you guys can see. So for those who've been following my other videos, I've talked about my experience on Nazaro, where it kind of gave me a really big shed. You can kind of see the effects of the shedding at my crown area. You can see that there's now a big bald spot. I'm really hoping that will recover. You can see that whole area just has thinned out quite a bit. And before I started using Nazaro, that area was a lot fuller. I used Nazaro for only about a month and a half, once a week, and it did this much damage to my hair. Now I know that a lot of people have gotten very positive results from Nazaro, but I guess I'm just a hater because of my poor experience with it. But I think it's important for everyone to know that Nazaro has very harsh ingredients in it, and so it's important for people not to overuse it, especially after a hair transplant.
Thanks for watching, guys. So that was my 7-month update, and I hope that you enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya.